This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by AnthonyBernosky. Tastefully furnished and well-maintained extraordinary villa located in Calumet Reserve in Lely Resort, Manchester. 85 two-story floorplan features 3 bedrooms plus study, 3 baths, living room, dining room, breakfast room, large laundry room, screen-enclosed extended lanai and a 2-car garage. The master bedroom is on the main level and a larger private suite bonus room with full bath is on the second level. The master bath features dual vanities, a whirlpool soaker tub, and a separate shower. The upgraded kitchen includes granite counters and newer stainless steel LG and Bosch appliances, including a new double oven and microwave. The mini upgrades include crown molding on the first level, granite counters, 18 inches tile on diagonal, and so much more. A Lennox air conditioner was installed in 2019, a Rheem water heater in 2021. Membership and enjoyment of the spectacular Players Club and Spa is optional and seller does not have a membership to transfer. Beautiful Lely Resort offers 2 public golf courses and is but a short drive to white sand beaches of Marco Island and all the activities of downtown Naples. The Lely area offers many fine restaurants, shopping, and medical facilities. Welcome to your piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-394-2505.